Ask Tom on Home Show.
Michael from Jersey Village has a question about a tub restoration.
Yeah, it's this one, Tom. This aging, I think we both agree that's cultured marble. It looks like
Cultured marble,
from here.
sure is. Soaker tub.
Yeah, Michael writes, my house is built around 1994, and we have the original garden tub and with the whirlpool jets. We like the tub, but it's starting to show its age, as you can see here, and we're considering getting the tub resurfaced and wanted to know if you think that's a good idea.
Okay, my first reaction is I don't know if they can resurface cultured marble tubs. I know metal tubs, porcelain tubs, cast iron tubs, even some of the acrylic type tubs like the Americast, those can all be resurfaced. But whoever's doing it will be able to answer that question. And the reason I say that is because the coatings change yearly. They keep improving them and getting them for different processes and stuff. But I do know this, when you do get one refinished, which is fine, you've got to be careful on what you use to clean it. So whoever does it should give you a cleaning, a list of do's and don'ts for cleaning it. Don't put stickers and stuff on there. It's not really good for walking around in there with shoes and stuff. I know people don't do that, but some people get in and don't think about it. And it's not as durable as a regular tub finish. So putting stuff down when you're cleaning and stuff, be careful with the finish. And don't use any abrasives on there, but hopefully they'll give you some instruction on that if they can do the cultured marble tub. If they can't, then I would say don't even try. Don't experiment with it. Cultured marble is a little bit different product because it has that gel coat finish, but they might have a way to acid etch the surface and put that coating on there. The other thing is it's used mainly in apartment complexes and hotels and things of that nature where they're not going to replace the fixtures all that often. And they'll last maybe about a 10-year time period. It is not a permanent fix. But if it works for you and they can guarantee it, warranty it for a couple of years, and you follow the do's and don'ts, and that's your option that you want to follow, I've got no problem with it. Now, on this one, when you see the little caps and stuff where you have the jets, when you finish the tub and you put those caps back, you're going to notice a real difference in color. They won't match, and they don't paint those little plastic caps. So you might you'll have to deal with that. And I'm not sure how attractive it'll be when it's done if you're getting different colored little connectors and stuff.
Yeah, it's kind of, we talked earlier on another one of these about once you paint one window, you're going to have to paint them all. And once you do this, those little plastic pieces are going to seem much more aged. I wonder, Tom, isn't it possible that maybe there's a place where you can buy replacement ones that would be new?
Yes, and you can, and they screw on. So you might want to go, if you go white, or if they have like a bone color, just if they all match and they all kind of blend with the color, even though they're not exactly the same like that particular tub is, that's fine. But when you have different ones, different colors and stuff, it'll look really weird. I've had a reoccurring lady call me on my show for the last 4 weeks or so who started out refinishing a tub. Then she realized, oh no, she actually put tile in a tub. Then they did some refinishing and left a spot. Now they want to put tile. She doesn't want to remove her door because as she's moving through the bathroom, half of it looks really good, but the other half starts to look older and older, and they kind of come together in some points. And she's having dilemmas about undoing and doing work to catch up. So anytime you remodel, please look at the whole picture and make sure that if you're going to do something, it all is going to work at the end. And that's a big problem with a lot of these companies you see come in and they put a liner on a tub. They make the tub look real pretty and the rest of the bathroom looks horrible. It's usually something that continues on until the whole room is done. But you can do inexpensive remodels in bathrooms by painting. You can call Rudy, come in. They can regrout, repaint, put in new hardware, maybe go to Glass Doctor, get a new mirror put in, and a couple of light fixtures from Home Depot. Right Touch Electrical can install them if you can't. And you can dress up a bathroom and remodel it, but when you just do one spot and stop, sometimes it can come back to haunt you. It doesn't look quite as good as you thought.
But we want everything to work out well for you. So visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button. I have no segue for that one. But
it was good.
Send us in writing, send us in video, either way. But maybe send us a picture for sure, because that helps us do a good job like we did there. And because we want to do a good job for you, because we post a new one of these every day at HomeShowRadio.com. And, of course, our YouTube channel, where you'll find hundreds more of these videos we've done over the years, answering every kind of question. And what's really fun, if you keep if you put them in order, you go back, you can watch our hair change color and length, and us change size. So
A size back. I'm
as
like this. Woo, woo, woo.
right. I'm working on this part too. All right, but we appreciate you watching.